List of Indian medalists at Tokyo Paralympics. India finished with a total of 19 medals. Five gold, 8 silver and 6 bronze medals at the Tokyo Paralympics. Avani Lekkara won gold medal in shooting. Sumit Antle won gold medal in javelin throw. Manish won gold medal in shooting. Pramod won gold medal in badminton. Krishna won gold medal in badminton. Bhavina Patel won silver medal in table tennis. Nishad Kumar won silver medal in high jump. Devendra won silver medal in javelin throw. Yogesh won silver medal in discus throw. Singraj won silver medal in parachuting. Mariyappan Thangavelu won silver medal in high jump. Praveen Kumar won silver medal in high jump. Suhas won silver medal in badminton. Sundar Singh won bronze medal in javelin throw. Singraj won another bronze medal in shooting. Sharath won bronze medal in high jump. Avani Lekkara won bronze medal in shooting. She got 2 medals. Harvinder won bronze medal in archery. Manoj Sarkar won bronze medal in badminton. India won only 1 medal in 2012 London Olympics, 4 medals in 2016 Rio Olympics, but in 2021 we have won 19 medals in Tokyo Paralympics. Congratulations to all champions. Proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind.